this is part 2 of our Pop-Up Manila pre-orders na whole. I don't know kung sino yung mga laman ng box. So, let's just go to the unboxing. As you can see here guys, ito ang Jiraiya Sage Mode na AAA anime exclusive. And yung isa is yung Obito Uchiha, yung natanggal na yung mask niya. If you know the story ng Naruto, ito yung part na siguro nag-away sila ni Kakashi. I got this to complete my set na Katsuki. I believe he's still a member ng Katsuki pa nito. Hindi pa siya nag-reform. Ganitong time natanggal yung mask niya. And yung focus mainly yung may review sa kay Jiraiya. To be honest guys, parang nakukulangan ako nito because how I wish ginawa nilang 6 inches ito na pack. Kasi sa ganitong size niya, parang hindi mo na mapapansin yung dalawang elders na palaka. Now I wish they would have made this na 6 inches so that kahit scale pa nila yung pop, at least sasama sa pag-scale paglaki itong dalawang palaka sa kanyang Sage Mode na nag-merge sa kanya. So that's my takeaway sa ganitong Funko Pop. It's still a solid na Funko to add to your collection. Once again, shout out kila Sir Aaron and Ma'am Michelle of Pop-Up Manila na pre-orders.